What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. So I've got me some more Represent hoodies. This time another tracksuit. Of course, we have to buy full tracksuits. It's the Owners Club hoodie, the Owners Club joggers. The colorway is mushroom. Let's just take it out. So I saw this color online and I really liked it. I don't know how to describe it. This came literally tags not even together. That's crazy, because it even says, look, please note, returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached. How are you gonna accept my return if I return it now? That's crazy. But yeah, the color, I'm not sure if I like it. I'm a bit 50-50. I kept having a sneak peek. This is the first time I've seen it open. It's like a beige brown. It's like a remix of colors. It could probably grow on me. I might like it after a bit more. It's kind of like a washed out color. Nice for summer evenings and stuff like that. Maybe even autumn weather. So we've got the Represent Owners Club logo there. We've got the silver little silver bar that says Represent on both sides. Inside, of course, standard looped back fabric. I really like the fit of these hoodies. Honestly, it's like such a nice boxy fit. They look so good when I wear them. Not tooting my own horn or anything. So obviously the Represent, a large, made in Portugal, and we've got the button on the hood, which I just keep open and I never do it up again, to be honest. On the back, we've got that Represent Owners Club, powered for enthusiasts by enthusiasts. It's in a kind of like a brownish color. I actually kind of like that a lot. Even if the tracksuit was in this color, it would look really nice. I like my brown and beige type tones. And then we've got the joggers to match. So a lot of people might be, that's completely different color. That's crazy. This is crazy work. Look at that, it's completely different. Well, I'm not happy with that. And I've got video evidence that the tags came not attached. Crazy work. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but that's two completely different colors. I was happy till I saw that. I'll just carry on reviewing it anyway. So we've got that Represent Owners Club logo on the joggers. Standard joggers, to be honest. They're oversized, like cuffed, but really nice. This one actually has the tags attached. Crazy work. Double XL, you know, we size up one. Some nice extra baggy. That's crazy, because this is mushroom as well. I'm sorry, this has gone in a different way to what I expected because of the color contrast. It's two completely separate colors, man. That's gonna be a fail from me, and it's gonna be a straight return. That is actually crazy work, people, man. I really did like it, like the color, but it's two different colors. It's supposed to be mushroom, Oh, I'm not happy with that one bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna have to cut it short. And yeah, a bit disappointed with this one, people. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.